Hi, my name is Telfer and I'm a first-time mom of a 1-year-old named Luna who's helped me discover my passion for cooking. So follow me on this journey as I show you some of the special recipes I make for her. Alright, so today we're going to be making a Pak Choi and tomato omelette for our baby/toddler. So let's go. So the first thing, of course, we need our egg. Let's throw our egg in and we're gonna beat. Now this is a great and nutritious meal for your baby. So I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of diced tomatoes. Mix that together. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of minced pakchoi leaves. This is actually a great way to get your baby to eat pak choi because the only way I can get Luna to eat pak choi is if I hide it, just like this. And for seasoning, today I'm just going to use a little bit of paprika, literally a pinch, no salt or black pepper or anything. So it's not suggested to use salt in your baby's food because it's very high in sodium and it's not good for their kidneys. So I just opt to using paprika most of the times. So let's go to the frying pan. Okay, let's start to cook this omelette now. So I'm adding my fat. Today I'm using coconut oil. You can use unsalted butter, you can use avocado oil, grapeseed oil, any kind of oil that you want really. So I'm going to add in my omelette mixture now. Make sure and spread it out. Now this is how I make my omelette for Luna. You can use different veggies if you want. You can use bell peppers, you could use onions, anything really. But I use pak choi because this, as I said, this is the only way for Luna to eat pak choi. So I'm gonna sprinkle the cheese on top. I didn't wanna mix it in before just in case the cheese would have burnt. And you can also use any cheese that you want. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle, guys. So I'm gonna kinda zhuzh it. Oh, it ripped. It ripped, and this happens pretty often. So I'm gonna flip this now to the next side and just let it cook for about a minute again. So this is our completed tomato and pak choi omelette. What I did is I cut it in strips to make it easier for your baby to hold. So from 6 months, they can pick up a piece and they can bring it to their mouth for themselves. Over 9 months, you can cut it in a little smaller pieces so that they can use their thumb and their index finger to pick it up and eat it for themselves. Another way to actually do this is in muffins, in muffin forms. So if you have a muffin tin, you can put all of the ingredients, just mix it everything like how we did for the omelette and just fill up the muffin tin halfway and then you have muffins, and that way that you can actually store them in the fridge for up to 3 days in a Ziploc bag or in an airtight container. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed and stay tuned for more.